My name is Mrs. Bushing and I'm Sibo's testimonial. Sibo is a leader in the production of steel bushings. Today, I'm here to introduce you to the new Jolly bushing. Come along with me. I will show you the great benefits you can have by using this spare part, instead of a traditional bushing. In the spare parts category, the Jolly bushing is the most innovative product. Let's see together why. You see friends, a bushing is a spare part that is subject to severe stress, due to heavy loads that consume the bushing. The replacement of the bushing needs to be as quick as possible, to avoid long and expensive machines maintenance. The wear of the bushing normally brings to damaging its housing, which then needs to be bored. Let's see the process that you should follow when using a standard bushing as a spare part, which is the same type of bushing as the worn one that we want to replace. The bushing doesn't fit its housing, as there is unwanted clearance between the bushing and the board housing. It is necessary to build a bushings holder. The new bushings holder is welded to the housing, hoping that the welding won't overlise it. This is a long and expensive procedure. At this point, you can assemble the new bushing. As you have just seen, the procedure is rather complicated and takes a long time. Now, I will show you how all of this can become easy and quick thanks to the Jolly bushing. After boring the damaged housing, it is no longer necessary to build a new bushings holder, or to do any welding. In this way, you can directly use the Jolly bushing. Since the Jolly bushing is thicker than the standard bushing, and its outer surface isn't hardened, it can be easily turned and adapted to the right size of the housing. At this stage, it can be immediately assembled, without further steps. No welding is necessary, so you can avoid any deformation of the housing, which could lead to malfunctions of your machine. You see friends? Isn't it easy? With Jolly bushings always available in your warehouse, you will be able to solve different problems and to fix in a short time what would have been a long and expensive machine stop. To know all the specifications of Sibo's range of products, please contact us.